gonna get you. Ice is gonna get you, Lily. Come on. Just drink a little bit. That's it. Don't back away. Come on, Lily. It's just a drink. It's just water. Are you scared of the water? It has ice in it. Go ahead. Oh, look, it's just ice. It's just ice. Get a little closer. I think she's going to try and look at it. If you're just leave it there for a minute, I think she's going to try and see if she can get a little closer. There you go. That's a good girl. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I understand. You're scared of that, isn't it? What is it? Good girl, you're getting closer to the water. Oh, now you're scared of it. Get a little closer. That's a good girl. Good girl. It's just water. Can you get a little closer? There you go. Yeah, go around the other side. That's right. Go around the other side and see what you can come up with. Yeah. Walk closer to her. Look. There's nothing to be afraid of. Nothing to be afraid of. Get a little closer. It's okay, that's your friend. That's a drink. Take another step forward. There you go, good. Oh boy, just ice water. It's just some water. Yeah, it's just some water. Go a little closer. See what it is.